Okay guys, so let's go to problem number 2. So now, let's find the area bounded by the curve y is equals to 3x plus 3 is equals to 0 and the line x equals to 4. Okay, upon checking or parang pagtitita mo sa function mo, since y squared yan, so that's a quadratic equation. So that's a parabola. So, pwede rin maging ellipse yan, depende sa function mo. So, pero, upon inspection, so, initial inspection, so, parabola yan. So, the vertex is at the origin kaya. So, tignan natin. Pero, ang sure ko dyan, since y squared yan, yung vertex niyan along the y-axis. Okay? So, ang alamin na lang natin dyan, it's either it's opening to the left or to the right. So, how do we know that? So, kung magawin natin, medyo we transform this one into a standard form ng parabola equation. So, how do you do that? So, i-transpose mo lang ito. Kabila. So, magiging y squared is equals to 3x minus 3. Then, common yung 3. Factor out mo. Factor mo yung 3. Yun. X minus 1. So, kita natin dito, di ba? Vertex. Anong vertex mo? Vertex is at 1 and 0. Ayun na. So, since positive yan, so it means the parabola is open to the right. So, yun. Diba? So, of course, yung parabola na yan is, plot mo rin yung x equals to 4. It's a line equation. Well, let's try to plot. Yan. So, plot natin yung 1 muna. Let's say, ito yung 1. Say, 4. Ito yung 4. X equals to 4. Ayan. So, ito yung line na x is equals to 4. Ito yun. Itong dotted line na to. So, sabi ko nga, since vertex mo is at 1, 0, so ito yung 1, 0, diba? Ito yung vertex mo. This is the vertex of your parabola. So, it's a parabola opening to the right. Since positive yun eh. Ayan. So, yun. So, medyo pangit. Anyway, sorry. Hindi symmetrical. Pero, pag ano yan, dapat symmetrical yan. So, symmetrical naman yan. Ayan. So, ang pinapahanap sa in area, eto ngayon. Ito nyo, itong buo na to. Ayan. Haba. So, buong area na yan. Bounded by x equals to 4. Ito yan. Then, this parabola. So, ito yung points of intersection mo ngayon. Tama? So, tanong, anong strip ang gagamitin mo? Are you going to use vertical or horizontal? So, pwede naman yan, either of the two. So, ano yung pinaka-obvious na pwede mong gamitin? So, 4 to, 4. Ayan. 4. Nilipat lang natin. Ayan. So, pinaka-obvious dyan ay vertical pa rin. Bakit, sir? Kasi ang binigay pa rin sa'yo, given ka ng x equals to 1, di ba? Ayun o. Then, x equals to 4. So, pwede obvious choice mo pa rin dyan yung vertical strip. Pero pwede ka rin naman mag-horizontal. Okay? Kaya lang, ang gagawin mo, hanapin mo yung value ng y dito. Diba? Ito, 4. So, hanapin mo to. Ayan, question na. Anong value? Ito, 0. So, madali lang yan. So, y is, ito lang hanapin mo. How do you do that? So, substitute mo yun dun. Diba? Sa x value dito. Then, you can get the value of y. So, ayun na yun. So, as an exercise, or parang additional, yun na lang. So, try to use a horizontal strip. Okay, so hanapin nyo lang. So, may boundary mo dyan pag nag-horizontal strip kayo, guys. 0 to this value. So, substitute nyo lang yung 4 dito. Ayun na yun. Ano ba yun? Negative 3. Dito pala yan. 3 times 4 minus 3. 9. So, 3. Sabihin pala nun. So, square root of 9 is plus and minus 3. So, yun. Sabihin pala, this is positive 3 sa baba for negative 3. Diba? So, ito pala to. Positive 3. This is 4 and negative 3. So, ayun na. So, ito gamitin mo ngayon. Clear? So, magwaway ka ngayon. So, pag nag-horizontal strips ka. Okay. So, ayun na. So, From negative 3 to 3. Pero this time, sinasabi ko nga, nag vertical strip ka na. So, vertical strip na lang gagamitin natin. Okay? So, pero may mas madali dyan. Kasi pwede rin mambuin yan actually. So, bakit sir kalahati lang? Di ba hanganapin mong area is ito lahat? Bakit sir ang ginawa mo? Ito lang, na strip. So, sabi ko, since symmetrical yan. So, this area, how do you project this area? So, pag pinroject mo siya, imagine niyo guys, ganun siya, symmetrical yun. So, it means, kung ano yung area nito, i-multiply mo lang ng 2, eto na siya, di ba? Yun na yung buong area niya. Naintindihan guys? So, it means, to find the total area of this curve, eto, the area is equals to twice, di ba? The integral of your function, since vertical strip ang pinili, y dx, integral of y dx integrated from a to b, where a is equals to 1 and your b is equals to 4. So, times 2 lang, di ba? So, multiply mo lang sa sarili niya. Then, yun na. That's the total area of this one. Or, kung gusto mong buo na, ang gamitin mo, mag-horizontal ka. So, kung ayaw mong mag-multiply ng 2. Kasi, pag nag-horizontal ka, ang magiging boundary mo, from negative 3 to 3. Yun yung limit mo. So, buo na yun. Diba? So, pwede ka nang buuin mo na siya. Okay? So, yun. So, palitan mo ngayon. So, what is your y here? Your y is equals to the square root of 3x minus 3. So, yun. Area is equals to twice the product of integral of. So, a is equals to 1. B is equals to 4. So, yung y mo, palitan mo ng which is the square root of 3x minus 3 dx. Ayun na. So, ayun yung i-integrate muna natin. Clear? So, yun. So, if you integrate, so, gamit tayo ng substitution, di ba? So, let u tayo dyan. So, let u, di ba, is equals to 3x minus 3. So, du is equals to 3 dx. So, it means du over 3 is equals to dx. So, dapat alam nyo na yan. So, dapat titignan nyo na lang yan ng masakit. Kuha nyo na yan. Okay? Anyway, so yan. Replace mo na lang. So, area is equals to integral from 1 to 4. So, of course, u raised to 1 half, di ba? Du over 3. So, pwede mo ilabas yung constant. So, that's area. So, 2/3. So, integral nito. So, of course, u to the 3 halves, di ba? So, power formula, 3 halves. Integrated from 1 to 4. Okay? Then, mag-i-inverse lang yan. So, 2 times 2, that's 4. 3 times 3, that's 9. So, it becomes 4 over 9 u raised to 3 halves. Integrated from 1 to 4. Sir, can we substitute now the boundary? Hindi pa. Since we need to replace u by its original function, which is 3x minus 3. So, ipapalit pa natin yun. So, area is 4 over 9. So, yung u mo, which is 3x minus 3 raised to 3 halves from 1 to 4. So, yan. Pwede mo na ngayon ipalit sa loob yan. So, substitute mo. So, area is equals to 4 over 9. So, quantity. So, 3 times 4 minus 3 raised to 3 halves minus 3 times 1 minus 3 raised to 3 halves. Corpus bracket. So, ayun na. What will be the answer here? So, of course, 3 minus 3, 0 na yan. So, ito na lang. 3 times 4, 12, 9. 9 raised to 3 halves. So, ilan yan? 27 times 4 over 9. That's 12. So, your answer is, calculate mo na lang yan. So, 0 na kasi ito eh. Since 3 minus 3, 0. Area is equals to 12 square units. Pwede may calculate din naman gusto niya. Okay? So, ayun. Well, let's try using calculators kung we can arrive at the same answer. Try natin. Integral of, so, square root ng 3x minus 3 dx integrated from 1 to 4. So, yung sagot nito, i-multiply na lang natin ng 2 sa huli. Natin, kung 6 makukuha natin. So, pag 6, multiply nyo na lang ng 2. That's already the whole area. Kasi yung 6 na yun, ito lang yun. Half lang no curve natin. So, ito lang. Yung matagal. So magkape muna tayo, guys. Ayan. So, pero yun naman siya basically. So, medyo matagal. So, wait natin ng konti. Dapat ni-raise ko sa 1/2, no? Mas mabilis siguro. Ayan. Ayun. So, labas na. So, matagal nga lang. So, nakuha natin sagot ay 6. So, bakit 6 lang, sir? Kasi, ito lang yung sinolve niya. So, how do you get the whole area? So, multiply mo ng 2 para makuha niyo yung kabila. So, that's 12. Clear? So, yun. So, that's how simple find of the formula or the procedure in finding the area under the curve. Okay. So, on our next video, so, proceed tayo sa what if dalawa na yung curve mo? So, area between two curves. Okay? So, dalawa na. So, pwede yung dalawang parabola na nag-intersect. Pwede yung line equation na nag-intersect sa parabola. Pwedeng ellipse na nilagyan ng line equation. So, pwede yan. Pwedeng cubic equation. Diba? Alam niyo mga cubic equations na nag-intersect ang line. So, depende yan, guys. Okay? So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin sa next video. Okay, guys? So, see you guys on the next video.